Molweni, sanibonani. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. I hope everyone is doing so well. Hey, siyazi ke ukubana uSibindi just got engaged ku-Tiro and he just paid ilobola ku-Amahle not too long ago, and hi kena you can see ukubana u-Amahle is getting heartful already with indaba kaSibindi of ukungaxeleli abantu in advance. She was like, dude, just improve with your communication. You cannot be surprising me like njalo nje, like you do not say a thing at all to me. I was so proud of Amahle because I feel like for some reason uSibindi takes advantage of her because she's not much of a talker or whatsoever. Okanye usazifikisa ugele. She's still observing everything ukubana so that she can see ukubana who is she putting on her side and who she's not. So I love her strategy of getting into the family, like uyifikele nje ayipholele engumazithulela nkosi yami, angasho okuningi nkosi yami, uthi hayi ngiyabonga nkosi yami ukunginamukela la, and hayi ngiyajabula ukuba nazi nonke, but hayi we see you girl, and you can see ukubana hayi ngathi this miss hayi ngithanda ukuyithulela nkosi yami. It's not going to stick for that long. It's not going to stick for that long because she stood up to Umpumelelo, saying ukubana hayi this thing okubana you just always kokoko nje, you just keep me in the dark and you don't tell me. The least you can do is like update me ukubana hi, I'll do 1 2 3, I am going to propose kuTirelo, we'll be going there, 1 2 3 will be happening. So you can see in her eyes ukubana she was so pissed off ukubana why am I hearing about such things etafuleni, things that I should have been told long time before we even got here. Hayi ke Mahlehle, that's uSibindi for you ke son. That is uSibindi for you ke son. He will surprise you all the way. He will surprise you in good and bad times. That is uSibindi for you nkosi yami. Anyway, let me know what you guys think ukubana is Amahle really a quiet girl who doesn't say much okanye usayifikisa nkosi yami? She's just putting out her good girl cards so that she gets everyone where she wants them. Let me know what do you guys think. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much to all my subscribers, everyone who's viewing my videos and everyone who's liking them. Thank you so much.